In whispers of leaves, the orangutan cradles the dawn with gentle dignity. Each deliberate swing through the canopy sculpts the air into a silent symphony. Dappled shadows cast scripts of old forest tales on the tapestry of leaves. Hovering in a breath, the creature mirrors our thoughts' gentle unfurling. With each meditative pause, a new understanding whispers through the boughs. Solitude's grace, taught by slow swings in the solitude of towering heights. Shadows lengthen, and with them, the wisdom of the ancients deepens in its gaze. Every choice, like every branch touched, resonates with quiet strength. Night whispers around, and in its embrace the forest hums the song of stars.